Hey guys, we got a Shark vacuum here today. It's a Shark Rocket. It's in fair shape. It's a vacuum. It has been used. There is some scuffs, scratches, and marks up here at the top, as you can see. It has been used, but it does work. I'll show you that here in just a second when this is fired up. Let's take a peek at the back, just so everybody can see kind of what it looks like as a close-up in a video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Alrighty everybody, I'm going to turn it on here. Let's try on the first setting out of 2. Now it's time to turn it up. Moving a lot faster now. Does cut right out and stop. Let's take a peek at the filter. The filter could use a new filter in here. The filter is a little bit dirty. Take a peek at it a little bit more. The filter is dirty. Take a peek at that. There. You might need to order a new filter for this vacuum, but other than that, this vacuum does work beautifully. And check out in the description what else it comes with. There will be some pictures of some attachments that this also includes. Thanks everybody for looking. Have a great day.